In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious garlic knot recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 3 cups flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 6 garlic cloves minced, a 1/4 cup of parsley diced, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/2 cup Parmesan, and 1/2 stick of butter softened. Create 3 craters in the flour. Add the salt into one, yeast into another, and the sugar into the last one. Mix until thoroughly combined. Slowly add in 2 cups of water and mix until a dough forms. Add in the oil and continue mixing. Once a dough starts to form, use your hands to form a smooth ball. Add in 1 teaspoon of oil into the bowl and spread out evenly. Cover the dough with plastic wrap. And a towel. Rest for 50 minutes. In a bowl, combine together the butter, garlic, parsley, oil, and the salt and mix until completely combined. Add in the Parmesan and continue mixing. Set this aside for later. Take our dough out onto a floured surface and shape it into a rectangle. Use a pizza cutter to cut the dough into 1-inch strips. Take each strip and wrap it around 2 fingers 3 times. Rip off the excess and tuck the bottom into the center. Place on a baking sheet. Cover with a towel. Rest 30 minutes. Uncover the rolls. Bake in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Place the garlic knots into a bowl while warm. Add the garlic butter mixture on top of the knots. Cover with plastic wrap. Shake until evenly coated. Rest 15 minutes. Our garlic knots are complete and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy!